back to Channel Ron. I'm back on the Crosley washer. I haven't worked on this one in years. The problem we're having with this one is it just will not balance. Whatever we do with the laundry inside, it's kind of going all over the place. So something is definitely wrong inside. So I'm not exactly sure where to start on this, other than just taking it apart. So we're going to go ahead, take the 2 screws off the back, lift it up. I'm going to lean this against the wall here, pop the face off, and see if we can find out what's wrong. All right, we've got a 5/16 screw here and another one over here. And that's going to allow us to tip the top back. And then down inside here, right in the front, there's going to be a little tab you just need to push in on. And that will allow you to lift the top. Right there. Just like that. So you just want to push these 2 tabs in, right there and right there. All right, so I want to slide this over here so I can lean this up against the back here. All right, see if we can take a quick inspection. Nothing is standing out up here, so let's go ahead and take this front panel off now. Oh boy, this is not good. This is not good at all. The unit itself is broken. It is completely cracked. That's why it will not balance. So I've got a big problem here. I'm not sure where to go next. I'm not sure if I have another housing down back or not. So let's go ahead and take a break and think about this. All right, I look down back and I don't have another unit that I can put this in. They're all a little bit different configuration. So I guess the right thing to do would be to buy a new one. But I want to go ahead and try to fix this one first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this on its back or on its top, one way or another. I'm going to weld this from down below. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the springs to take some tension off this and go ahead and weld it and see what that does. I don't understand why that's broken unless it's actually rusted underneath. I don't believe it is. It just doesn't feel like it. But when I tip it up on the other side, I'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. But I think that's what I'm going to do is go ahead and weld it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so there's a lot of meat there. It's just broken. It's not rusted. So I feel pretty confident that I can weld this. I'm going to go ahead and remove the spring so I can take some tension off that. And then I think I'll be able to get a nice weld on that and it'll be fine. Still going to order the missus a new one. This has done its job, but I'm pretty sure I can fix this. So I'm going to go ahead and just start cleaning it all up and weld it and go from there. Well, all right, well, we got it all welded up on both sides. I feel pretty good about it. Got the springs all in, put a little paint on it because just with the condensation, it would probably rust. So went ahead and threw some black paint on that. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the belt on, put the top back on, the face back on, and let's go ahead and give it a test run. Perfect. Now I'm going to throw something in there just to kind of throw it off balance and see what that does. Oh yeah, this is perfect. All right, this sweatshirt off balance should tell us something. Oh yeah, it's off balance, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. Perfect. Perfect. I'm happy with that. Nice. Nice. All right. Well, if my calculations are correct, I'm going to say 2.5 years this baby will keep going. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. And hopefully it's not this machine.